All right, what's happening with this tree? This is a mulberry tree and the bark up here is just stripped off. So, who's the guilty one? Well, the answer is this is damage from rodents, and you can kind of see their teeth marks here where those sharp teeth have been chewing on this bark and ripping it, and then they've actually been dropping strips of it down into the bushes below. So what are they doing, and which type of rodents? Most likely this is from squirrels or rats, but I'm gonna say probably squirrels. And they do this because, well, it's a good way to sharpen their teeth, but also they can get a little bit of nutrients and water from these trees by eating the cambium layer underneath the bark. Now, is it enough to actually harm this tree? Maybe. You can see this branch right underneath it. This is a dead branch, and it has a lot of that damage on it from the previous year too, and it could have been that they ate enough of that to kill that branch. And if they were to actually girdle this branch all the way around, they definitely could kill that branch too, because this branch is not going to then be able to put water or to uptake water all the way out to the tips of the branches, and certainly could cause some major damage to this tree. And what can you do to prevent this? I don't know. Get rid of the squirrels somehow?